Alrighty, my trusses and my braces are all beefed up here. As you can see, I've gotten these 2x4s screwed to the roof rafters here. I put that piece up there because it looked like when they built the house that plate up there wasn't on there very well, and looks like they put a bunch of little tiny nails in there to put it back on. So I just put a board up there, screwed it in. I'm gonna put a couple more screws in it, but let me zoom out here, give you guys a better view. All the straps are screwed to the lumber. All the vertical pieces right here up against the darker colored wood right here are screwed to the darker colored wood through the side. And I also have these boards running along the ceiling rafters here and here. I didn't put a brand new board for this metal section right here because there is a 2x4 that runs the length of this garage and it's like 20 feet. So I just utilized this piece that was already here. No point in wasting lumber. For this middle brace right here, it's kind of weird with this gable roof, the way it's shaped. I had to put this cross member in here in order to brace the top board where the strap is attached to. So as you can see, it runs all the way along those two pieces that are on the trusses right there to the top with that strap. So everything will be much stronger and hold up with higher wind speeds during hurricanes and strong storms. Now, any vertical trusses that are holding up the siding on the outside of the house that are less than 36 inches do not need to be braced by wind mitigation and code. So anything that's over 3 feet, you have to brace. So pretty much the middle, because you don't want this part of your house getting sucked out or pushed in during a storm, because then what happens is your whole roof goes, it gets lifted off and gets ripped off and water starts pouring in. So this will end up saving people a lot of money on their homeowners insurance policy for their wind mitigation. If you're good with saws and you know, some lumber and screws and drills and stuff, this took me a couple hours, just about finished.